Are you into fantasy football? Do you need to create a team logo with as little fuss as possible? Then you need to check out the Fantasy Football Logo Maker from Placeit. I'm Nona Blackman for Envato Tuts Plus, and in this video I'll show you how to make your own fantasy football logo with the Placeit Fantasy Football Logo Maker. Go to placeit.net, choose Logos, then Sports Themes. Click the Sports drop-down menu to find the sub-menu of different sports. If you're looking for the beautiful game that the world knows and loves as football, then you have to select the sub-menu Soccer. And if you're looking for the other football game that's played mostly in the United States of America, then you select the sub-menu Football. For this example, I'll use the American version of football. Now you can either browse the available selection of templates and click on one that you like to open it and begin customization. Or you can begin customization on this page by adding your team name and colors so that you get an idea of how all the templates would look with your color scheme. You can select a graphic for your template here, but I prefer to do that later. Once you've decided on the template you prefer, click it to open the logo maker and continue customization. Starting on the right, you can keep the default graphic or browse through the available graphics to choose the one you like the most. There doesn't seem to be much here for my purposes, so I'll type football in the search bar to find images specifically related to the topic. Once you've decided on an image, it's time to refine your color scheme. Starting from the top, you can change the color of the background, the main color, and the accent color of your graphic. Now move to the controls on the left of the template. Here you can make changes to your text. You can also change the font and the color of the font. I'll leave mine white. The logo is a little too big for my need, so I'll use this minus sign here at the bottom of the template to reduce it a bit. When you're done, you can download your new logo here. Maybe you've noticed this little arrow in the lower part of the template. This is an animated version of your logo. To access it, click the arrow and hit Update to update the animated version of your design with all the changes you've made. Once the update is completed, you will see a preview of the animation in the box. And if you want to use the animation, you can click on the box to open it and customize it further. When you're done, you can download it here. Placeit has a wide selection of fantasy football logos for both kinds of football, so check them out and get creating. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do the Mexican wave and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see other terrific videos from Envato Tuts Plus, you must subscribe. I'm Nona Blackman, and I'll see you next time.